They talk about the spring break and oh yeah, Tijuana, here we come. My friends think she's so dumb or stupid, but I won't tell anyone. But her and I got going on. Brianna's brother's buying beer, so freaking cool, can you believe? He'll bring his friends to college guys, our weekend plans are such a dream. My friends think she's so dumb and stupid, but I won't tell anyone. Not a soul, but when we are alone, she's touching me. Well, I'm a sucker for it, give it to me. The way she's looking at me, she's so damn perfect. It's so damn worth it, the secret we keep. Yeah, I'm a sucker for it. So, this is what happened. Brianna's such a goddess, could get anyone she likes. But when she's looking at me like that, I know she's only mine. My friends think she's so dumb and stupid, but I won't tell anyone. Her hands are in my hair, whisper in my ear, I won't tell anyone. Not a soul, but when we are alone, she's touching me. Well, I'm a sucker for it, give it to me. The way she's looking at me, she's so damn perfect.
Ja, wat die spoel wel. Nou, voor mij zit die ook wel weer.
The secret we keep. Yeah, I'm a sucker for it. Well, I'm a sucker for it. My friends think she's so dumb and stupid, but I won't tell anyone. Her hands are in my hair, whisper in my ear, I won't tell anyone. Not a soul, but when we are alone, she's touching me. Well, I'm a sucker for it, give it to me. The way she's looking at me, she's so damn perfect. It's so damn worth it, the secret.
Ja. Ik denk niet dat ik hoef nog te sporten, want ja. Zou je wel denken, je hebt toch dubbel werk. Klopt. Maar ik hou wel momentaal andere dingen eruit. Geen prijs voor spul. Maar niet doen.
Hey mensen, het is vrijdag. Deze vlog is opgenomen, dus ik drink even een biertje op een geslaagd weekje. En een lekker vuurtje erbij. Cheers guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.